Hello everyone, welcome to Unreal Engine for Beginners tutorial. We are making a dungeon crawler game, and in our last lesson we fixed the bugs where the AIs would just jump off if you were to roll at them, or our player character would roll off when the AI attacked us. But that doesn't seem to happen anymore, which is
A
good.
blessing, thank you.
And also
Much
today we'll
obliged.
be working where only one AI would attack us and the rest would either wait or throw knives at us. So let's look at that. So the first thing we need to do is go to the BP player, and yeah, um, over here we want to make a variable and call it B is under attack. And now we need to go to our AI B trees and open up the behavior tree. So we need to check that when sorry we need to check it when while doing this. So what we'll do is go for a selector, move it up here to the selector, and from the selector we go down here, a sequence. So we either do this or we do another selector, and from there we will do this. So the thing is, this sequence and this selector will depend on two things. The first is not two thing, only one thing I can think of. That is if the player is already under attack or not. So let's see how we can set that. So I think a simple decorator would be enough for this. So let's add a new decorator, create a new decorator, browse to it, and call it btt check player under attack. Open this one up. Let's override the condition, perform condition AI, and from here we want to get blackboard value as an actor, get the bb key underscore target, make sure it's instance editable, and then we can cast it to be actually we already have a player reference interface, so we don't need to cast. Then we go for is valid check, and from this valid check, if it is valid only, then we do this. Otherwise we just return false as it is. So from here we get get is under attack, and branch, if it is under attack then it is true. Actually yeah, let's directly plug it in over here. That would be enough. So over here we can add the decorator, check player under attack, and this one would be the target over here. So if it is set, it will go over here, otherwise it will go over here. So if it is under attack, it will do that, but we also have to set it to false once it goes over here, right? So no, first we have to set it to true. So set it to true over here, right? So for that we need a task. Make it btt set under attack, and execute AI, and we'll do the same thing we did over here. So Control C, Control V, create this variable, and then get the whole thing. Then set it as target, check it is valid. If it is valid, then we'll set under attack is to true, and then we will just finish it off. We are done, and then just finish execute, and under attack would be set to true. So let's go btt set under attack, target is target. With that set, we now need a condition, not a condition, a service. So let's make a service. This one would be bts set attack false. Over here we'll override receive activation AI. From here we will do the same thing actually. So just take the whole thing, Control C, Control V, make sure you create this, make sure it's just like that. And do we have, yeah, right, this is a service, forgot about that, sorry. So in service you can just leave it as it is, and make sure is under attack is set to false again. And then we can finish it off. So over here I will add a service and make sure that set attack false is true over here, and it runs every 2 seconds is fine, and should be working. Let's see.
My thanks.
So it's not working as we can see, but let's see why though. Let's do something. Let's set Blackboard value as bool. Get this value from here, promote this to a variable bb key underscore target target under attack TUA. So compile, save, just return this. Go to the Blackboard, create a new bool. This one would be b under attack, and over here we say under attack and we can just put it over here, right? Leave this as false, and over here what we can do is add a blackboard condition, and over here check be under tag is set, sorry, is not set. Then we can do this, otherwise do that. So let's see. So one was coming, they stopped. Okay, so let's go to the debugging process. Class defaults, it's in the controller, right? So we'll go to the PP controller, class defaults, and the health in player info, make it to maximum what you can. Okay, maximum. So let's play this and let's see what our AI has to do. 1 0. Okay, what's wrong? For him every single thing is false. Right, let's not do this on a condition check anymore. And even if we do it on a condition check, I would say let's have it as we did actually. I'll save. It should be correct though if it's under attack. Close this, make it over here. Control. Click this, Control C, click here, Control V. Okay, this one should be inverse condition. Okay, let's see. Okay, so one was attacking us. Okay, let's see. Let's see the logic once again. Is under attack over here. How about we abort self if this one comes to false? Still no. Okay. Inverse the condition and this one. Right. Also one more thing. Yeah. After throwing, the one thing we forgot is after throwing the dagger to, we should actually make it to right. We should make a task as well for the setting it to false. So that would be, let's make a task. Go to btt set under attack false. So yeah, let's go full shortcut with this. And the same thing over here, just control C, function execute AI, paste it over here. Make sure you create this, make it instance editable, and under attack should be false, and this one should be set to true. So after that, btt suaf, and this one should be a target. Now yeah, make sure the conditions, this condition is inversed for the dagger throw. Now let's play. Check under attack. Right, this one should be inverse, this one should be true. Sorry about that. That was correct actually by default. I don't know why I changed that. Wait, move to, yeah. Okay, yeah, this is correct. Even now they just attack one at a time. Sometimes, yeah, some maximum times, yeah, attacks one at a time, which is perfect. Yeah, but while throwing we might not want them to be standing around so close to us, so let's see. Do we have something? Find random location, pp key. Okay, pp key underscore random location. So random location self actor, move to random location should be random location, move to random location, then focus, then do this. Let's see how that happens. Might not be the best that we have. One of us jumps. looks much better, but if it would be good if they always had the focus set. So let's see, always focus to the player even while you move. Yeah, yeah, let's do something. What is this? Right, let's copy this, make a service, BTS, sorry, click on this, BTS focus target, override activation AI, put it like this, focus is fine, control pawn, control pawn, this one is the target, make sure instance is like this. Let's go back in this move to, we should add the service focus target. It is set to target. Let's see. Yeah, seems better. Seems much better. So I think this is it for attacking one player, each AI attacking the player one at a time, and the others go to a random place and shoot the AI. The AI is getting bit too much complex, and actually I did not use much, I mean the codes that I had made for this tutorial were pretty much basic. I did not add many things that you could for better things, maybe, because like I said, again, it's a beginner's course. I did not think I would go this much with this, but I think this is enough for the AIs that I would be working on. Next, I think I will go for the combat for the player. Like right now it's way too much for the player to handle the AI as it is. So in the class defaults, if I'm to go back, where is it? Oh right, player controller, yeah, my bad. Open that one up, class defaults, player info, make sure you are back to 100, just like that. And also you have armor, 100 armor, otherwise you will be in a bad position. As you can see, like yes, I will have hard time attacking each of these. I have to be on my toes all the time. I still get damaged from the shield. So I'll do it in the next lesson where we do the player combat a bit, but this is good enough for the AI. They are really kicking my ass over here, so I really need to up the playing field a bit for the players as well. So thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. And also, before leaving, if you, as usual, if you liked it, if you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel because that really helps me a lot. Thank you guys.